Good morning, dear students. My name is Nagendra, Zoology lecturer. So today we are going to discuss Zoology assignment dated 27/8/2020. So date is 27/8/2020. So this date's assignment we are going to discuss Zoology assignment. Let us see the first bit. Largest endocrine gland in a human body. So largest endocrine gland is, here the first option is adrenal gland. It is not largest. Thyroid gland, second option. Yes, it is largest in total endocrine system. Thymus is not largest and the kidney is not largest. So in the given options, kidney is not an endocrine gland, but it participates in the secretion of a hormone called erythropoietin, but it's not the main endocrine gland. The question is related with the endocrine gland. So here thyroid gland is a pure endocrine gland and it is large in size. So for question number 1, the largest endocrine gland is thyroid. Second option. Next, the thyroid gland is with two lobes. In adult, each lobe is with 5 centimeters of its length, 3 centimeters of width, 2 centimeters of its height and width, 5 centimeters of length, 3 centimeters of wide, 2 centimeters of it height and width. That is about the size of a thyroid gland, and it is said to be largest endocrine gland. Second question, the basal metabolic rate in the body cells is regulated by BMR, basal metabolic rate, means what? The rate of oxygen consumption per unit weight of the body is called basal metabolic rate. And the basal metabolic rate is regulated by means of thyroxine of the thyroid gland. So for question number 2, the option is second option, and the gland is thyroid gland. Question number 3. Cretinism is due to abnormal secretion of. Cretinism is due to abnormal secretion, means here cretinism is a disease due to hypothyroidism condition. Due to hyposecretion of thyroxine in childhood, that leads to stunted growth. Mentally the children will become retarded, right? Low intellectual abilities, low intelligent quotient, memory loss. So these are some of the conditions of cretinism. And cretinism is due to hyposecretion of thyroxine. So the answer is thyroxine, and this word thyroxine is given in the second option. So key is second. Question number 4. Exophthalmic goiter is caused due to hypersecretions of. Exophthalmic goiter means protruded eyeballs. It's also called the Basedow's disease. Basedow's disease, right? And this exophthalmic goiter is due to hypersecretion of thyroxine itself. So question number 4, once again the option is here the option given as thyroid gland, and it is in second option. So the key is second. Question number 5. The main function of a thyroid gland is to control. The main function of a thyroid gland is to control basal metabolic rate, BMR, right? I told about the definition for BMR. So for fifth question, the option is a fourth option. BMR given in fourth option. Sixth question. The two lobes of thyroid gland are joined by a horizontal connection called, it is nothing but isthmus. the right and left lobes of the thyroid gland are connected by means of isthmus. So isthmus is given in a fourth option. So question number 6, key is a 4. Question number 7, myxedema occurs due to deficiency of. Myxedema is due to deficiency of thyroxine of thyroid gland in adult stages, in which a puffiness of the skin takes place. That is one of the major symptom or condition of myxedema. So it is myxedema is the answer, and that myxedema is given in a fourth key. Question number 8, lethargy means a state of inactiveness. Lethargy, mental impairment, improper transmission of nervous impulse. Next, intolerance of cold, susceptible to cold, that is called intolerance to cold. Puffiness of the face are the symptoms of what? Myxedema. Just now I told puffiness is a character of myxedema, and this word myxedema is given in the fourth option. So question number 8, key is the 4. Question number 9, the erythropoiesis is not only stimulated by erythropoietin but also by. So erythropoietin is a hormone releasing from kidney, stimulate production of RBC called erythropoiesis, and in addition to that, thyroxine from thyroid gland, and another hormone called a hormone of adrenal gland, cortisol, can also stimulate the production of RBC. So here thyroxine is the answer, and thyroxine is given in fourth option. The last bit, 10th bit, is thyroxine is secreted by. Thyroxine is secreted by follicular cells of thyroid gland. So the third option given only by follicular cells. So that is right. So answer is follicular cells, and this given in third option. So for question number 10, the correct option is third.